I'm coming.
It's connected.
All right, here you go.
Try to start the car now.
Shit.
It actually worked,
would you
this
look
piece
at-
of junk.
Would you
Yeah.
look at that.
I told you so.
You did, but still, I was in doubt.
Sometimes you just gotta have a little faith in things, Leo.
Faith, huh?
Yeah. Well, let's get out of here.
Yes?
Oh shit,
No,
damn.
I don't know. It was a while ago. We need your help now, officer. Okay, hurry up, please. Absolutely. Thank you.
I'm loading my revolver.
Are the
It's
police
taking
on
me a
their way
long
yet?
fucking
Yes, they'll
time.
be here any minute.
Okay, I'll go take care of them.
No, just stay here.
It's all right. Just wait here. I'll be fine.
Remember, I have a gun.
Filthy scum!
Oh shit! Take cover!
You're gonna pay for this!
Come on, let's go!
Yeah.
You drive!
Come on. Come on.
Yeah. Come on! Go, 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 go!
Damn it!
Alright, guy. Alright, guy. Damn it!
That ends the farm saga.
Damn it!
Filthy criminals!
Hey, Mason! We got cops
Oh,
coming!
shit.
Step on it!
Alright, alright. I drive, you shoot.
Oh, baby.
Get this piece of shit going faster! Just sit down, Leo! You're gonna fall off!
Okay.
I have,
Here we go!
Okay.
I have infinite ammo. It's okay. Oh, here we go, boys.
Hold on back there!
Oh, damn. This is actually pretty hard.
I believe in you.
Oh, it's a rifle. Okay. Oh, okay. That cop car does not know how to fucking drive. Jesus Christ.
Oh shit, they're hitting us.
Non-lethal. Non-lethal.
What's happening? What's happening?
Wait, reload. Reload. What the fuck?
Okay, I'll be honest, this is pretty fun. Dude, these cop cars, goddamn.
What is this? How does this have a better car chasing like portion of the game than fucking Resident Evil? Which is like a are you serious? Oh god!
Holy shit! This is kind of awesome.
Dude, let's see how. Oh man, it's so. Okay, reload. How do I reload? Oh man, so much easier with the mouse. So much easier with the mouse.
Oh yeah.
I'm fine, keep going!
You got
I'm not
it? You
doing
good?
that easy.
Oh shit!
Oh yeah, it's 50,000 times easier to with the. Oh god. Oh man, I just executed a guy. Oh god.
It's a
Oh,
lot
there you
easier
go.
driving with the.
There you go. Oh god.
We're okay. We're okay.
That car is fuck. Oh, he's going off the hill. Oh, he almost died. Holy fuck.
Did he go off the cliff?
He almost went off the cliff. Damn, what is these cop cars? They're like fucking Tokyo drifting and shit.
I'm amazed
Oh,
the pickup truck is doing so well.
I know, right? Oh god.
Oh my god.
Oh, there you go.
Holy shit.
We're going pretty fast, man.
This is so awesome. I don't know why.
Okay, there's a red hit marker. Alright, I'm gonna blow their
Oh my
car.
god, we are getting some like serious airtime too.
I know.
Oh shit!
Uh-oh, fresh cars. Oh shit.
Keep shooting! Keep shooting!
Reloaded. Where are you? Come over here, fresh cars. Look at him.
Oh no! We're Dukes of Hazzard now!
Damn it. We not dead. We should be dead. Oh, right there. Oh, hitting logs. We should be dead.
Oh my god! There's so many logs! This is so dumb, I love it! Oh no, spike trap? Uh-oh. No! Oh my god!
I should be falling. Oh, okay, I should be dead.
Stay
Holy shit,
Freeze! You okay? Stop! Yeah! Let's go! Come on!
I should be dead. Oh my god. And your arms must be.
Run! We can't stay here!
Across the
They're
river.
shooting me! Like, the bullets are hitting me!
Switch the controller.
Shit! Vincent, let's
right,
take
go
A
the
right.
road.
robot?
Come on.
Are you serious?
They'll never catch us now!
Come on.